In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Garmin Forerunner 55 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your Garmin Forerunner 55 on an iPhone. This process is going to work for any model of Garmin watch that you have. So, what you have to do is download the latest version of the Garmin Connect application. This is where you will be able to add a Garmin device to view your health and fitness data. So go over to the App Store and look for Garmin Connect. You will have to download this app and create an account. So if you haven't set it up already, go through the sign up process, and once you open Garmin Connect and sign in with your account, you will be able to connect your Garmin Forerunner 55 to any iPhone model. Now tap the option to add a device on the home screen and follow through with the instructions on screen. You will be able to see some of the popular models, and if you tap the button at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to browse through all of the compatible models. So as you can see, they will show you some models like the Vivo Active, the Forerunner 235, the Forerunner 35, and so on. Just tap on Browse All Compatible Devices, choose the Forerunner line, and you will be able to look for the Forerunner 55. When you find it, choose it from the list, and now you will be able to put your device in close proximity of your iPhone. If you look at the screen on your Forerunner 55, usually the first time that you power it on, it is going to offer to pair itself up to a phone. If you selected no the first time that you powered on the device, you just have to go over to the settings, and you will also find the option to pair your phone in there. So once you do it there, and you pair it up, you will be able to get this done. Just follow through the instructions on the screen of the Forerunner 55 device. Usually there will be a Bluetooth code that you input here, but as long as you put them in close proximity, they should automatically connect. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin Forerunner 55 to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.